In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate Apex Legends account from Steam to EA app. If you're looking to migrate your Apex Legends account from Steam to the EA app, it's important to understand how account progression works before getting started. Apex Legends does not support transferring your progress from one EA account to another. Instead, your game progress is tied to the EA account that your Steam account is linked to. To begin, open the EA app on your PC and sign in using the same EA account that is currently linked to your Steam account. Using the correct EA account is essential if you want to access your existing Apex Legends progress, cosmetics, and other account data. If you're not sure which EA account is linked to Steam, open the EA app, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. This will open your EA account page, where you can confirm that you're signed into the correct account. Next, launch Apex Legends from the EA app. If you're signed in with the same linked EA account that you previously used with Steam, the game will automatically recognize your account. Your progression, unlocked legends, cosmetics, and other eligible content should be available without needing to transfer or migrate any files manually. If the game starts with a new account instead of your existing progress, double-check that you're signed in to the correct EA account. Using a different EA account will create a separate game profile and won't include the progress from your original account. Keep in mind that unlinking your Steam account from one EA account and linking it to another does not transfer your Apex Legends progression. Your progress remains associated with the original EA account, so changing linked accounts can result in losing access to your existing game data on the new account. As long as you sign into the same EA account that was previously linked to Steam, you can continue playing Apex Legends through the EA app with your existing progress and eligible content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,